Hey, hi, welcome back to Digit.in. Let's take a look at the Asus ROG Strix SCAR III from this year's Computex. Asus recently announced the ROG Strix SCAR III that replaces the SCAR II and brings an Intel 9th Gen Core i9 CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070 graphics card. It's offered in 15 and 17-inch variants with a display that's capable of refreshing at 240 Hz. The response time of the display is 3 milliseconds. RAM goes all the way up to 32 GB and storage up to 1 TB using either solid-state drives or solid-state hybrid drives. Asus has incorporated its range boost technology to keep the Wi-Fi connection strong. The base of the ROG Strix SCAR III comes with wraparound RGB lighting to make it seem as if the laptop is just hovering above the tabletop surface. It also comes with Asus Keystone, a tiny digital key that stores the user's lighting preferences and other gaming profiles. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this quick preview of the Asus ROG Strix SCAR III.